To transfer from eToro to Trust Wallet, you will need to follow a series of steps that involve withdrawing your cryptocurrency from eToro and then depositing it into your Trust Wallet. First, make sure you have a Trust Wallet account and an eToro account. Open your eToro account and navigate to the Portfolio section where your cryptocurrencies are listed. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Trade button next to it. Then select the Withdraw option from the drop-down menu. You will be asked to enter the withdrawal amount and the recipient address. The recipient address is the address of your Trust Wallet. To find this address, open your Trust Wallet and navigate to the Receive section. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive and copy the address. Go back to your eToro account and paste the address into the recipient address field. Make sure to double-check that the address is correct as transactions cannot be reversed. Enter the withdrawal amount and confirm the transaction. The transaction may take some time to process depending on the blockchain network. Once the transaction is confirmed, you can check your Trust Wallet to see if the funds have arrived. It is also a good idea to check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer to ensure that the transaction has been successful. It is essential to note that different cryptocurrencies have different addresses, so make sure you are using the correct address for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Also, be aware of the fees associated with transferring cryptocurrencies as they can vary depending on the network and the wallet you are using. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully transfer your cryptocurrency from eToro to Trust Wallet. Always remember to prioritize the security of your accounts and transactions by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication.